So I recently had a client contact me, and he had recently been in a construction accident, and he wanted to know how to determine the value of his construction accident case. I advise this client that there are multiple factors to consider. One of those is how severe and permanent the injuries that he has sustained were. That is something that can drive up medical costs, especially if one gets surgery or continues to treat. And the higher the medical costs go, the more value the case has. Another factor that can increase the value of the case is the firm or the attorney that you've represented. Again, if the insurance company knows that the other side is a pushover, then they know that they can resolve the case for minimum value. But if they know that the other side is a firm or an attorney that is willing to take cases to trial, then they know that they're going to have to pay much more than they normally would, because they know that at the end of the day, if they don't, the case is going to go to trial and they're going to be facing a much higher risk. Other factors to consider, although they're not as important, would be whether or not there are pre-existing or prior injuries that the person had that are similar to or the same as the injury that was sustained in the construction accident. Now there are different ways that the injuries can be aggravated by the construction accident, but it still is something that the insurance companies will consider in valuating the case.